Our next speaker. I'm proud to bring up another person representing one of our incredible families, also our service member community, Ms. Casey McLaughlin, whose wife Shannon serves in the Massachusetts National Guard. Casey is here today from the great state of Massachusetts. Casey McLaughlin. Hold the mic close to your mouth.
My name is Casey McLaughlin, and I come to you today as a military wife. My spouse Shannon is a major in the Massachusetts National Guard. Directly after 9/11, Shannon deployed overseas for Operation Enduring Freedom and has served this country for nearly 15 years. Even though Don't Ask, Don't Tell has been repealed, we are still not equal. I am now a stay-at-home mom raising our 2-year-old twins. This wouldn't be unusual if we were straight. Many couples operate on one income and have a family plan for health insurance. But despite being legally married in the state of Massachusetts, I am excluded from the family health care plan. In fact, despite being wife and mother, I am technically a legal stranger to my spouse because of the so-called Defense of Marriage Act. Like any other soldier, if Shannon gets called into a war zone, she has to go, often with little notice. And like any other military family, the kids and I get left to manage without her. Yet, unlike any other soldier, Shannon doesn't get the comfort of knowing that if something happens to her, we'll be taken care of. That the benefits that she has earned for nearly 15 years in service to this country would go to her family. Unlike any other soldier, we wouldn't get to go overseas with her because we are ineligible for base housing. And unlike any other military wife, I couldn't even bring the kids to their medical and dental appointments without her because as a legal stranger, I can't get on the base. Do we seriously live in a country in which Shannon is putting her life on the line every day, yet is not afforded the peace of mind to know that her family will be taken care of? Tell any other soldier when they go into harm's way that their family will be left to fend for themselves, and see how they react. It would never be tolerated. So why is it okay for gay soldiers who have the same families and make the same sacrifices? Because of DOMA, we are separate, forced into 2 tiers of recognition and support. The hands of the military are tied by the federal government, and it is now in the hands of the Supreme Court. But I know these justices, and you know these justices will do the right thing because they have done it before. It was this court that desegregated public schools. It was this court that struck down laws prohibiting interracial marriages. Let the same be true in the 2 cases before the court right now. We are equal. My marriage is equal to any other marriage. My children's happiness and their future are as precious to me as any other mother's. And if I lost my spouse in combat, I would suffer as painfully as any other military wife would suffer. Because we are equal.
Thank you. Wow, let's take a moment to thank the families. We are equal. Our families 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 are equal. All right. Thank you. Now that gives me to bring up yet another family, Kathy, Sheila, and Jackie. Kathy Marino Thomas and her family from Marriage Equality USA, the board member in New York. Thank you.
Can you hear me? My name is Kathy Marino Thomas, and I'm the co-board president of Marriage Equality USA. My family and I have worked on the issue of marriage equality for 16 years. I am a proud American. I am a proud lesbian, activist woman. But most importantly, I am the proud wife of Sheila Marino Thomas. Together, Sheila and I are the proud parents of Jackie. The three of us are a family. As Jackie's parents,